First time in the real nature of Canada. This is a really nice forest, quite different to Australia. There are cedar trees right behind me and some other kind of pine right in front of me. I'm heading to the top of a lookout. Amazing trek right here, nice nature. Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Great, thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you, that's good to know.
Yeah.
Enjoy your hike.
Thank you.
Man, it's so important in life to just stay still in the moment, relax and take everything in. Life is going so fast sometimes, and especially when you're in the nature, you can take its beauty as your energy. All these ferns on the right and left side, they're quite interesting. Similar to the ones in Australia. And they're very close to a river that runs from the mountain all the way down into the valley. I met a really nice lady just now asking her the pathway, and she said look on trail forks. So I've got the app open, and right here near Mission it shows me exactly where I am. So here we can see the blue path going up to somewhere where the lookout is. This makes it heaps easier. Where I started there were multiple walking tracks going off to the left and to right, and I wasn't sure which one it is when I asked the lady about trail forks, but now I can see this one comes up right next to the river, and this one is the one I just came from. So there's no real way to get lost here, I guess. What a beautiful river, wow. I'm already getting warm. Let's take some layers off. So the trail forks map showed me two paths, hiking tracks. One of them went around this clearing and one of them went through the clearing. And I thought clearing and a different viewpoint would be cool. Almost at the top. Have a look at this. What an amazing view that is. Wow. Moon Rock Lookout. I reckon I'll be climbing up there. This is a nice place here. Awesome weather too.